guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, my name is Aishwarya and today's video is going to be my 16th birthday gifts unboxing video. So currently I'm at my sister's place and I'm going to be showing you all the gifts which my sister has given me, and all my other gifts which my friends and family members have given are at my place. So I'll be showing them in my future vlogs. And also, before starting the video, I'm really sorry for not uploading any videos for almost like 5 months by now, because I was in 10th grade and I was really busy in studying and doing a lot other stuff. But now I promise I'm going to be consistent from now on. So yeah, hope we all get along like before. And yeah, without any further ado, let's get started with today's video. So this is the first gift and this was given to me by my eldest sister Shruti. So yeah, let's start unboxing this first. I actually have seen this before, so I'm just gonna be like opening this and showing it to you guys. So the first gift in this box is this cute Tata plushie. So if you don't know what this is, it's actually a BT21 character drawn by BTS members. Like each BTS member has drawn a particular character, and this one is drawn by my bias V. So I loved it very much. It's such a special gift to me. Thank you so much, Akka, for this lovely gift. On to the next gift. The second gift in this box is this tiny tan V. It's so cute, you guys. I love this gift so much. Thank you so much again. I mean, if you're a K-pop stan or BTS army, I know you would relate a lot because anyone would love these gifts. So the next gift is a pop socket. So this is how it looks like. It's a finger heart and I loved it so much because I always keep doing this pose. So yeah, this is so cute, you guys. Now we are left with a box full of colorful thermocol balls and many chocolates. So I'm not sure what chocolate this is, but yeah, let me just show you 1 second. So yeah, there are many chocolates and thermocol balls in here. So yeah, this was such a lovely gift. I loved it so much. Thank you so much again. And yeah, I'll be grateful for it. Also, I'm recording a video after almost 6 months, you guys. So I'm really sorry if I do any mistakes in the middle or something. So just don't mind, okay? So next we have a bag full of gifts given to me by my another sister, and I'm pretty sure you all know her by now. I mean, you have seen her in many of my vlogs. So this is given to me by my elder sister Jivita. So yeah, let's open all of these, and I'm kind of excited for these because I haven't opened them yet. So yeah, let's quickly unbox it. Okay, so I'm gonna randomly start opening whatever I get first. So first we have this. Also, don't mind the wrapper noises. We have this gift, so let's quickly open it.
बरी या प्लास्टर ना इधर कट मारो.
Also, I'm at my sister's place right now, as I said earlier, so the voice and the lighting is not that clear. So I hope you guys don't mind that. I wanted to film this video for so long, so I didn't want to be late anymore, so I just started filming. Wow, you guys, this is a backpack. I mean, I'll actually be going to college pretty soon, so this is such a functional gift. I loved it. It's so good. You can have a look. So you can see later, but this is such a cute gift. Thank you so much. The next one I got my hands to is this one, so let's open this. By the way, my sister is sitting right in front of me right now, so she can see all the reactions and everything of me opening the gifts, and I'm very excited. I always get excited while opening the gifts, but she's not excited at all. She's like, this time I was not able to like give good gifts, and that she was in a rush. But I'm sure that it's really good because she always gives me the best. Wow, guys, this is another backpack. It's so cute. It's in purple color, which is also my favorite color. I mean, any BTS army will relate to this. This is so good. I love it. I'm pretty sure I'll be using this so much in my college days. Thank you so much again. Next we have this square kind of a gift, which I'm pretty sure is a book or something. Let's quickly. Also guys, this little thing is not functional at all. Like, you'll have to hold it so that it gets, the knife is open, and it's really inconvenient. I will never recommend to buy this thing. Very inconvenient, but my sister likes it so much. I don't know why. I think hands are the best way to open gifts, even if it's not in the safest way. For the wrappers. Wow, you guys, this is so good. Wow, so cute. Like, it's so aesthetic. I love this gold thing going on in this. It says make your dreams happen. So cute. I love it. Thank you so much. It's by Miniso, by the way, so if you wanna buy it, you can visit the Miniso store or purchase it online through Amazon. This is so good, so good. This is what the inside looks like. Now we are left with 3 to 4 more gifts, so we open that. Let me guess, is this a pouch? I think it is. Let's open this. Okay, I get the theme now. It's for like my college supplies, something like that, for my 11th grade. Can you see? So pretty. Wow, you guys, this is also filled with so many more things. So let's quickly open and see what's inside. And by the way, I love all these hologram kind of effects. It's so good and so pretty. First, there are these color pencils, and then we have this graphite pencils. And then there are these plastic crayons. Then we have some sticky notes, which are also by Miniso. These are all so useful. We Bear Bears. And these are notebooks by We Bear Bears, you guys. So cute. So this is how it looks like. So this is Ice Bear. And then we have Pan. The next is Grizz. So we have 2 of Grizz. These are so cute. Like, I like to write down all my to-dos in such cute small notebooks, and I like to carry them with me. So this is so functional and useful. My sister is always so thoughtful. And then we have this sketch pens. I think Doms has sponsored my sister because everything is from Doms. Then we have this Doms sharpener. Then we have this Doms neon eraser. This is such a cute pouch. Like, I love it so much. You can see. So pretty. Okay, now we have this small gift. I'm not sure what this is. I think this is a wallet or something. Let's see. This guys. It has this pink panda detailing going on it. And this is how it looks like from inside. Such a cute wallet. Wow, I love it so much. So far, the best thing, I guess. I love the wallet so much. We want the last gift. This is a bracelet with V's photo card and a lot more stuff inside it, and it's so good. Like, wow, I'm so grateful for this. And right now my sister is showing hers with Jungkook's photo card. So good. Like, wait a minute. This is JK's, so she has bought it for one for herself too. But first, let me open this. Which store is it from? Instagram. This is from an Instagram store. I'll link it in the description box for you guys. This is such a cute bracelet. Oh, this is so good, you guys. I mean, I'll be wearing it and like I'll show you guys later on. But we'll see the photo cards now, because I'm pretty sure you'll be excited for that. Firstly, we have this butter photo card, which I love. Like, I love these. And the next one is this group BTS photo card. It's so cute. I'm gonna preserve this and the bracelet very well. I love this so much. Thank you so much. Well, let's see what's this. This is like a random card which has BTS written on it. This is also really cute. Yeah, I think I'll make some DIY with it, or probably, you know, store this as it is. I usually get very excited when it comes to stuff with BTS, and my first, when my eldest sister, when she gave me that Tata plushie and the Tiny Tan V's, standee, I was like so excited, and my reaction was priceless, you guys. I loved it very, very much. So yeah, that's all the gifts. So yeah, those were all the gifts given to me by my sisters. My other gifts are at my home, which I'll be sharing with you guys in like my future vlogs or something. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and this was like an inspirational video for you guys. Like, if you want to gift something to any of your friends, cousins, or your sister, and you might get a little idea from this. And also, if they're like a BTS army, of course they would love these kind of gifts. So I hope you got ideas from this video by watching this video. I hope this video was very helpful to you guys. So yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Until then, love yourself, be safe, and be happy. Bye guys.